Reproductive medicine is a blessing. Yet for workers in this field, it can become very hard to manage everything from patient data to IVF-related processes to a number of devices to medical history. Documenting and organizing this data manually can take up much time and energy, so you're left exhausted when it comes to caring for your patients. Not anymore, because MedITEX IVF is here for your rescue.
Wow! Wow!
Built by a team of clinics and IT experts, this all-in-one fertility EMR is an easy-to-use software that brings all your data together in one single place, so you can manage all your documentation with ease and access it at any time. MedITEX connects all devices in your facility so that any data entered by the staff, nurse, doctor, embryologist, and manager will automatically be updated in real time for all to see. MedITEX makes documentation quick and hassle-free, leaving you more time to focus on what you do best, making your patient's desire to have children come true. Need help to streamline your workflow and improve your patient care? Get in touch with MedITEX today.